Alright, what's up everybody? I got the headlights all taken apart for my customer. I'm gonna clean the lenses. You can see they're pretty dirty and hazed. I already tried to rub it, doesn't come off. They're all ready to go. I took out the glue. Oh, I gotta show you guys the glue ball that I made. But here you go. I still gotta get these out. But there you go. It's all taken off. I'm gonna start painting and cleaning, and I'll show you guys. Alright everybody, ready for coat 1. Unfortunately, I could not take these off like I was able to on the other one. I was having a hard time with one of the clips there. It's gave me a hard time. So instead of trying to break it, just taped it up. It'll be fine, no big deal. Just peel it off, leave, left a little bit of space so I have something to peel. And then, left the space around the orange to peel that. And here's the other one. I actually managed to get this one off, so that one's off. The other one's not. That's okay, same results. Alright, here goes coat 1. Alright, let's go. Coat number 1. Okay, there's one. See you guys in a little bit. Alright, let's do coat 2. Alright, there's 2. Back in a little bit. Alright, let's go for coat 3. Alright, there's coat 3. See you on the next one. Alright, let's do it. Last coat. Coat number 4. Alright, there you go. 4 coats. Let it dry. And then I'm gonna make the video, clean the lenses up, and I'll put it back together. Alright, let's get these lenses cleaned up. Alright, I'll show you guys when I'm done. Alright everybody, here's the headlights sanded down. Ready for stage 2. Look good. I'll show you after stage 2. Alright everybody, there's one done. Looking all nice and shiny. Let's see if I can get a different angle for you. See, I have a lot of sun glare. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. You should be able to. There you go. There's one done. One more to go. I'll show you when I'm finished. Alright guys, here you go. All cleaned up. I'm blocking the sun because of the reflection, the glare, but see how clear it is in there. Alright, so now I'm going to put them back together and I will show you what it looks like completed. Alright, there you go. Alright guys, here are the headlights, all black, looking nice. Now of course I need to remove the corner there and this, but I just want to show you guys what it looks like right now. Looks good. There you go. So now I'm giving these things 24 hours to dry completely and to cure, and then I will reassemble and I will show you guys what the finished product is. I'll make a quick video of it unmasked too, so you guys can see. Alright, see you guys soon. Alright everybody, here you go. All unmasked and ready to be put together. Looks very good. Alright, I'll show you it put back together. Here you go guys. It's not fully assembled, but that's what it's gonna look like. There you go. I'll show you fully assembled. Alright everybody, here you go, fully assembled. Let's see if I can get rid of that glare. There you go. I just finished it, so letting the stuff dry. The other one. That glare sucks. Sorry guys, but I'll do another thing. I'm just gonna leave it like this so I can put this up so you guys can see it. It's been a while since I put a video up, so I'm just gonna upload them. Hopefully the owner can send me pictures of it on his car, and then I'll put those on the Instagram. But there you go guys. Blacked out headlights with Plasti dip. He actually has the exact same car as mine, if you guys didn't notice. So yeah, there you go. All done. Hope you guys liked it. Also, I'm looking for some music that I won't get flagged for. So if you guys know any music, any underground or any non-copyright issues, let me know so I can put it on my videos. But here you go, guys. All done. And see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Alright, everybody. Here is the finished product. Looks really good. I still gotta trim the excess silicone off, but besides that, they're done. Let them dry for probably about 12 hours. So they're pretty solid. And as you can see, there's no sort of moisture or anything on the inside. So that means they sealed up pretty good. So there you have it, folks. Blacked out headlights. Cleaned up lenses. They look good. They look very good. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed the show. Stay tuned. Alright. Thanks a lot, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Follow me on Instagram. There's also a Twitter and a Facebook. I'm still working on putting all the pictures up on there. But I have them all. So follow me, subscribe, tell your friends, contact me if you're interested. Alright, thanks guys. See you later.